So I have already created my background layer. I use this color here. Here's the HTML notation 1A93D8. Press OK. And now create a new layer. Click on this icon. Fill it with transparency and then press OK. And now I'm just going to fill it with white. So I'm just going to drag the foreground color. So here it is. And now go to Filter, Distorts, and then select Blinds. So I'm going to move the filter window here. So I'm going to use the orientation vertical. So for the displacement, I'm going to use 58. And here for the number of segments, it will increase the number of vertical lines. So I'm going to leave it to 14 and then just click OK. And now go to Filter, Distorts, and then select Polar Coordinates. And now I just need to reduce the circle depth in % here to 0. So here it is, and now click OK. And now, for example, I'm going to merge down a layer here on top. So here it is. And now if I want to change the color, go to Colors, Hue and Saturation. I'm going to move the window here. And now I'm just going to change the hue. For example, the lightness or the saturation. So here, press OK. And now you can still, for example, if you don't like it, just click on the FX icon here, click on Edit, this one here, and now you can change it back. So press OK.